Hello, my name is David Zimmerman, and I'm here to go over the basics of a workers' comp settlement in Michigan. First of all, about 90% of all workers' compensation cases in Michigan settle out of court. They end up in a one-time lump sum payment, which is tax-free. That's the alternative to going to trial and trying to get on weekly workers' compensation benefits, as weekly workers' compensation benefits are the only benefits that a magistrate or judge in workers' compensation court can order. He cannot give you a verdict or a lump sum. He can only order the payment of weekly workers' compensation benefits. Therefore, most people decide to settle their workers' compensation case simply because there's a huge risk of going to trial. If you go to trial and lose, you end up getting nothing for a very serious injury. On the other hand, if you win, the insurance company could end up paying you workers' compensation payments for many, many years. Therefore, they have an incentive to try to settle your workers' compensation case as well. Number two, you should contact a workers' compensation attorney in Michigan that specializes in Michigan workers' compensation cases. I have been doing Michigan workers' compensation cases almost exclusively for over 20 years. Whether you contact myself or another Michigan workers' compensation attorney, I would highly recommend that you consult one before you settle your workers' compensation case. Often the claims adjusters or insurance companies will try to make a settlement with you directly, and that is often not in your best interest. Discussing at length future medical benefits, attendant care benefits, mileage reimbursement, the amount of your workers' compensation payments are things that need to be gone over in great detail before your case is settled. And again, I would highly recommend that if you either contact me or another workers' compensation attorney in Michigan before you settle your case. Another point regarding the basics of Michigan workers' comp settlements is that you can collect Social Security and workers' compensation at the same time. Your Social Security benefits may be reduced slightly. However, that is another incentive and reason why most people settle their workers' compensation case. You cannot take a lump sum from Social Security. You can only receive monthly benefits. In Michigan workers' compensation, you can settle your case and receive a one-time lump sum tax-free settlement. Thank you for your time.